Hi guys, this is Winifred from Loystar, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up the Loystar WordPress plugin for your e-commerce website. So the first thing you have to do is sign into your Loystar account. Now to set up, there are a few things you must know. One of Loystar's features is being able to have multiple outlets and staff accounts on the same business account. And that feature is available for merchants on our Pro plan. So if you're going to be setting up your website, your e-commerce website, you have to be on Loystar's Pro plan because the system recognizes your website as a separate branch. So you have to be on Loystar's Pro plan. So the first thing you do is come to branches to create your e-commerce website branch here. I already have some branches, but we'll add a new one, a new branch. Now, the system recognizes, for the system to recognize your e-commerce website as an online store rather than a physical store, the name has to have the word e-commerce in it. That's the way the system is able to distinguish between a physical store and an online store. So in this case, I have Mignola e-commerce. The branch address line one should be your website. So let's say www.mignola.com to Lagos. I've successfully added a new branch. So now the next thing for you to do is to sign into your e-commerce website. I already have it open here. Just move this over here. So the first thing you're supposed to do is to install the Loystar plugin. I already have the Loystar plugin added here, but if you're doing it for the first time, you come down to plugins and add new. Okay, here you search for Loystar. Endeavor to type the name out in full. Here you have the Loystar plugin. This is already active because I already have it here. But if you're doing it for the first time, you will need to install it and activate it. So I've already installed mine. So let's go and sign in. You come down to Loystar, come down to settings, and sign into your Loystar account. Now I have done that. So let's come down to sync our products. So the idea is for syncing your product, you're literally moving the products that you have on your Loystar account, the prices, loyalty programs, and everything, and you're using that to instantly set up your website. So for someone who already has a physical store or sells online normally and is trying to start using an e-commerce website, you don't need to set up again. All you have to do is sync your product from your Loystar account, and it instantly helps you set up your e-commerce website. So for that, you come to sync products. I have 9 products on my Loystar account. If you look here, you can see that products. I have 9 products, and this product will automatically sync with my e-commerce website. So sync Loystar products. It will actually take a minute. My products have been synced. If you come down here to products and click all products, you find the same product I have on my Loystar account here on my e-commerce website, but the prices and everything automatically synced. Now, one of Loystar's great features is the loyalty programs. So for businesses who have, now you have 2 branches, you have the online store and you have the physical store. You can decide to activate the loyalty programs you have in store to your online platform, or you can actually decide to create a new one. So if I come down to Loystar loyalty programs, I could actually activate the loyalty programs I already have in store or create a new one. So this is the loyalty program I have for customers who walk into my store. It's already activated, but I want to actually create a new one for my e-commerce website. So add loyalty programs. Loystar has two types of loyalty programs, the points-based and the stamp-based. I already have points-based loyalty. And now I want to create a stamp-based program for my online shoppers. So what would be the name of the program? Say, Winifred Stamp Loyalty. What would the reward be? For this loyalty program, I want to give a free item to anybody that shops with me 5 times, regardless of whatever it is they're shopping for. So the reward will be free item after its purchase. So there has to be a threshold. How many times does the person have to buy to get a reward? 5 for a program. I've created a program, now let's activate it. This program activates loyalty. So that program has been activated successfully. Now I have a loyalty program in my store and on my platform, that's my e-commerce website, and I can actually decide to use both or decide to just use one. So that is basically how you set up the Loystar WordPress plugin with your e-commerce website. See you in the next video.